Hello and welcome to English Palm Tree News. I'm Afia Jufri. In this edition, we'll present all the latest and interesting information from the House of Representatives of the Republic of Indonesia. Members of Commission 4 of the House demand evaluation for the import and self-sufficient policy for the garlic import activity following the import recommendation policy. Speaking after a meeting with the Indonesian Garlic and Roots Business or Pusbarindo, member of Commission 4 of the House, Sulaiman Hamzah, says the mandatory planting policy for importers still has not been giving any significant result. Sulaiman says the importer that could not complete their mandatory planting quota should not get their import quota for the next year to have a fair trading spirit.
Kebijakan pemerintah dalam rangka penanaman kembali bagi pemegang izin impor itu sudah lama diberlakukan. Tetapi memang banyak kendala di lapangan, begitu juga kendala yang dihadapi oleh pengusaha. Karena setiap izin yang diminta itu pasti ada konsekuensi biaya dan lain sebagainya.
Sulaiman Hamzah appreciates the government that keeps supporting the national garlic production and only importing on the most urgent situation or to fulfill the lack of national production. He also urges some adjustment for the import and mandatory planting season to create balance between the supply and demand, so the import should not only be done when the production is great.
Konsisten dengan produksi dan impor dalam rangka menutupi kekurangan, ini juga sebetulnya baik ya, artinya semua pihak harus bisa mematuhi ketentuan itu. Tapi lagi-lagi upaya untuk ini kan belum membuahkan hasil. Terutama antara kebijakan menanam kembali itu dan kebijakan impor.
Nur Fuad, Rifki, and Ferdian, TVA Parliament report. Commission 4 of the House criticizes the development management for the salt cultivation in Indonesia through intensification and extensification program for the national salt production by improving the quality and trading management. Speaking after attending the meeting with the Ministry of Agriculture in the House compound Senayan, Jakarta, member of Commission 4 of the House, Hermanto, says the salt availability and the national production should be maximized by doing some quality improvement and provide the land to cultivate the salt. Hermanto adds, salt is one of the strategic commodity to support supply chain and industrial value that supporting the national economic growth.
Keinginan dari pemerintah atau para pihak untuk melakukan impor garam yang kurang lebih 2,97 ton untuk tahun 2020 ini, menurut saya secara pribadi tidak setuju. Karena dengan masuknya barang garam impor itu akan mengurangi pemerintah untuk bisa menyerap garam rakyat.
Member of Commission 4 of the House, Halid, says the low absorption and low price of salt could be a trouble for salt farmers and threaten the industrialization of local production development.
Kita sebagai anak bangsa, sebagai negara, bahwa import garam ditiadakan, kecuali untuk kes-kes tertentu. Yang kedua, bagaimana kita mengoptimalisasi apa yang disampaikan tadi oleh perusahaan garam tentang industrialisasi yang lebih profesional, sehingga kita bisa memproduksikan garam yang berkualitas.
Ajib Temi and Ferdian, TVA Parliament report. Following the kidnap of Indonesian citizen by Abu Sayyaf terrorist group, the House of Representatives urges the government to take mitigation efforts. Speaking after visiting to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Office, the Speaker of the House, Puan Maharani, says the House of Representatives deplores the kidnapping of Indonesian citizen by armed terrorist group in the Philippines. She conveys Indonesian government is already coordinating with the Philippines government to save the 5 kidnapped Indonesians. She advised to the Indonesian who work at fishing ship not to go to Sabah area for the moment.
Kalau memang ada dan memang ada masyarakat atau rakyat Indonesia yang memang bermaksud dalam sandera tersebut, ya kita akan melakukan langkah-langkah diplomasi terbaik untuk segera membebaskan mereka, dan ke depan tentu saja harus ada mitigasi yang dilakukan kerjasama atau koordinasi antara kedua negara untuk bisa mengantisipasi hal tersebut.
Puan Maharani adds the mitigation effort is really complicated because some circumstances could happen in the international sea. She hopes Indonesian people, especially sailors, could understand the situation and be careful when fishing in open water area.
Siapapun orang yang kemudian sedang melakukan berada di perairan tersebut sudah paham bahwa di situ adalah wilayah daerah yang memang tidak aman. Ke depan akan kita lakukan himbauan yang lebih luas, mensosialisasikan hal itu melalui kerjasama antara kedua negara untuk bisa mereka pun paham untuk tidak datang atau melaut di daerah yang memang diindikasikan berbahaya.
From Jakarta, Mahir Dodi and Ferdian, TVA Parliament Report. Commission 1 of the House discusses the climate change issue with the Norwegian Parliament delegation. The House of Representatives with the World Parliament are serious on the climate change issue. Speaking after welcoming the Norwegian Parliament delegations in Commission 1 meeting room, member of Commission 1 of the House, Rizky Aulia Rahman Natakusuma, appreciate the Norwegian Parliament that seriously and sincerely dealing with the climate change phenomenon. Rizky conveys Commission 1 of the House also talks about Indonesia as the most Muslim population country in the world, that there is no radicalization in Indonesia. Islam as religion could run along with democracy because it is believed that Islam is a blast for the world.
Kita di Indonesia merupakan negara dengan populasi Islam ataupun Muslim terbesar di dunia, tentu mempunyai tanggung jawab yang lebih untuk membuktikan kepada dunia bahwa Islam dan demokrasi bisa jalan berbarengan.
Member of Commission 1 of the House, Dave Akbar Shah says, the House encourages the Norwegian Parliament to approach other European Union countries to cancel their embargo for Indonesia crude palm oil products. As he mentioned, the House with the government is ready to do some approaches to the European countries to cancel their embargo.
Mereka menganggap bahwa industri sawit Indonesia itu merusak alam, memberikan dampak buruk kepada global warming, ya. Hal tersebut makanya itu mereka kemari, kita ajak lihat industri sawit kita itu bagaimana peningkatan ekonomi dari industri sawit itu dapat melakukan penghijauan kembali, lalu kita bisa membuat sanctuary kepada orang hutan dan juga primata-primata lainnya.
Oke, Zulindra Trihandoko and Ferdian, TVA Parliament Report. The House of Representatives through Commission 2 reminds the government to pay attention to the honorary employee status in every governmental institutions. Speaking after the meeting of Commission 2 of the House and the Teacher Association, member of Commission 2 of the House, Agung Widiantoro, says the key to honorary employee needs to get a civil servant status. According to him, the government decision to slimming down position in some ministries and institutions for the state budget efficiency should be supported, but the government should still prioritize the honorary employee that already served the government for years.
Saya mendukung seandainya pemerintah mau melakukan perampingan untuk eselon 3, eselon 4 yang muaranya nanti efisiensi, tetapi ketika sudah mendapatkan angka untuk penghematan keuangan negara, tolong prioritaskan untuk teman-teman K2, teman-teman guru swasta, dan juga pegawai yang lain dengan kategori yang mereka sudah mengabdi pada pemerintah.
Agung Widiantoro hopes the proposal to considering the serving period of honorary employee could be accommodated by the government, because the proposal, if reasonable, and the honorary employee already serving the government for years, and that have showed their loyalty that needs to be appreciated.
Tuntutan mereka usia pengabdian adalah satu tuntutan yang wajar, ya kan? Karena mereka sudah berdarah-darah, mereka sudah bermandikan peluh, ya kan? Meninggalkan anak, meninggalkan keluarga untuk mengabdi pada pemerintah Republik Indonesia. Sementara pemerintah juga punya standar.
Panji, Edo, and Ferdian, TVA Parliament Report. Commission 4 of the House demands to immediately re-export the waste imported to Indonesia back to their original country. Vice Chairman of Commission 4 of the House, Budi Satrio Jiwandono, is disturbed with the finding of containers full of plastic waste in Tanjung Priok, which claim as recycling ingredients by the surveyor. He asserts this case should be evaluated thoroughly from several aspects, including economy, environment, and humanist factor, because the waste import should be considered as a serious environmental problem.
Ada konvensi-konvensi yang bisa kita nanti terapkan, kita tentukan, nanti harus kita negosiasikan, tapi memang banyak negara-negara bila mana sampahnya mereka sudah keluar, mereka tidak mau menerima kembali. Nah, tapi ini saya rasa dengan pendekatan diplomasi, mungkin ini bantuan Kementerian Luar Negeri ini kita bisa pecahkan bersama.
General Director of the PSLB3 of the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Rosa Vivin Ratnawati says, the paper and the plastic waste that is imported as the recycling ingredients are contaminated with the B3 type waste, which is prohibited by law. Therefore, it needs to be re-exported to the source country. And if the source country does not want to accept it, we should make a diplomatic approach to the country.
Kalau memang negara asal tidak mau menerima itu, maka akan dilakukan diplomasi diplomatik ya. Ada nota diplomatik yang dikirimkan, dan satu hal lagi, ada konvensi namanya Konvensi Basel.
From Tanjung Priok North, Jakarta, Fitian Aunillah and Ferdian, TVA Parliament Report. Commission 5 of the House will evaluate the proposal from the Online Transportation and Services Driver Association, or PPTJDI, about the legality and regulation for the online transportation services in Indonesia. Speaking after a meeting with the PPTJDI in Nusantara Building of the House, Jakarta, Chairman of Commission 5 of the House, Lazarus, conveys Commission 5 will discuss their proposal about the fare equality and the legality of the two-wheeler vehicle as a public transportation, and also regulating the rights and security for the driver and the passenger. Lazarus adds the proposal from PPTJDI will be accommodated to the revision of the law number 22 about traffic and transportation that would be listed in 2020 National Legislation Program.
Beberapa permasalahan yang disampaikan kepada kami minta nanti dibuat kajian yang komprehensif, disampaikan ke Komisi 5, dan Komisi 5 sudah sepakat undang-undang ini untuk 2020 ini akan kita bahas.
Member of Commission 5 of the House, Sofyan Ali, hopes the government could give more attention in making a regulation for the online transportation. Some regulation that should be made are the fare, the tax implementation, and the safety for the driver and passenger. So the online transportation as an alternative transportation could be a field of work that could give a lot of benefit for the nation.
Bagaimana keselamatan penumpang, itu kan semuanya harus kita lihat secara menyeluruh. Jadi negara harus terlibat dalam regulasi ini. Tidak bisa negara berlepas tangan dalam konteks ini. Kemudian dari sisi pendapatan negara, berapa pajak yang masuk kepada negara juga harus jelas. Kan tadi sudah dipaparkan oleh perwakilan dari ojek online.
Ferdian and Gunarso, TVA Parliament Report. Following the Jiwasraya corruption case and a similar case to other insurance and bank, Commission 11 of the House is agreed to establish a working committee to supervise the work of the financial services industry. Commission 11 will synergize with other committees from the Commission 3 and Commission 6 to find the best solution. Speaking at the press conference in Nusantara 1 building of the House, Senayan, Jakarta, Chairman of Commission 11 of the House, Dito Ganinduto, says there are 5 priority cases that will be supervised by the working committee, which are the Jiwasraya, the Bumiputra, the Asabri, the Taspen, and the Muamalat case. He thinks the problem in the financial service industry should be immediately solved to keep the national economy stability, especially to strengthen public trust to the financial service industry.
Sehingga nanti apa yang panja yang telah kami lakukan di masing-masing komisi bisa kita sinkronisasikan sehingga kita mendapatkan kesimpulan yang sama, jadi tidak overlook, tidak saling tidak tumpang tindih.
Vice Chairman of Commission 11 of the House, Eriko Sotarduga, asserts the customers are the most important. Therefore, the working committee will supervise the repayment process to the people and will also evaluate the work of the financial service industry, such as the private enterprises and the supervising board like the Financial Service Authority.
Ini bagaimana tuntas, jadi selesai permasalahannya, selesai juga dengan aturan mainnya yang nanti akan kita bahas di dalam undang-undangnya, tapi juga apa, kepentingan dari nasabah ini juga teratasi. Berapa lama mereka akan menerima.
Amita Nurbani and Ferdian, TVA Parliament Report. And that rounds up this edition of English Pantry News. On behalf of all the crew of TV Parliament, we would like to thank you for your attention. We will meet again in the next edition of English Pantry News. From me, Afia Al-Jufri, once again, thanks for watching and goodbye.